It's raining today. Should work my way down to the lake. I'm gonna roast that chicken for you guys. Start by seasoning my bird. Start scoring this up. Make sure everything is seasoned properly. Spin it over. Cut it on its side. The wings. Score my thighs and wings. And all the sections in there. Spin it over. Score some more. Now let's start putting in our pepper, black pepper, salt in there. Salt and black pepper, all in the spots where we seasoned. Spin it over. Salt, black pepper. Now I'm gonna grab my lime and squeeze my lime all over it. Spin it over again. Get our lime on that bad boy. And down into the cavity. Also put some of that salt into the cavity. Now let's get butter on here. We're gonna smash up our butter. Put butter onto our chicken. Grab more. Get that butter into the chicken. Let's work that butter in all the way around our chicken. Shows into the grooves and into the cavity. Make sure we get that down into the cavity there. Squeeze some more lime in there. Spin it over. Get some more butter in there. All over it. On the wings. Drop it on our pan. Put that on our pan now and let's get our fire ready. Go ahead and cover that up. And let that load. Let's keep our fire going here. Put in some more wood. Nice cold fire right now. Put some wood in there. Wood fuel in there. So our fire can burn. Oh yeah, it is roasting. Looking good, looking good. Cover that back up. Check it in another 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and build our fire. Keep building that. So we want that to finish cook. And our fire is cooking. It is burning well. Gotta love this. This is how you want a fire to be. Just beautiful. Let's zoom you in there. Look at that. That's what we want. We want it to be burning, heating up around the pan, roasting the chicken in there. This is beautiful journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so I can take you on more journeys. And I'll be having some of my products come out soon, so don't forget to get some of my merchandise at some point. I love this journey with you guys. Let's check out our chicken, see what we're working with. Oh yeah, our fire's going, chicken's roasting, All those flavors are gonna be coming out. Look at our bird. Just yummy. It's a beautiful sight. Fire and the bird steaming. Woo-wee! Gotta love it. Let's check it out up close. Look at all the fire coming around it and cooking that bird. Alright, let's cover her up. Check back in another 20 minutes. Give us about an hour to cook for poultry. Let's check out our chicken again. See what we're working with. That is roasting. Now fire is still going pretty well. So we've got to let's cook another 20 minutes. Goal is to get to 60 minutes. Even when you're outdoors in the woods, wherever you're at, you gotta let it cook. That's beautiful. Got a few geese up there, just cruising. Pretty cool. So relaxing. Let's make a spot here to take it off the fire. Let's take it off the fire. Rest it on our cutting board. Still cooking, beautiful. That's what we want. Put our plate there and let's get this thing served up. Let's take our chicken out of the pan. Pull this from the bottom. It's gonna want a stick on the bottom there. Ooh, that smells so good. Take it out of the pan. Still want a stick. There you go. Our chicken is roasted. Beautiful. That's what we want it to look like. Steam, roasted, amazing. Let's do a taste test here. Took a piece out of the pan. Check it out. Good chicken. Take a piece off the bird here. See what it looks like. That's cooked. Look at that, nice and tender. Good cooking right there. Good eating. Thank you for this journey, guys. I'm gonna pack up my gear. I'll check you on the next Going Outdoors. Don't forget to like and subscribe.